Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we're going to have a JavaScript class. We're going to learn how to select an element by its class, okay? So, what do we need? First, we need to create an element here in the HTML. We can create an h1 tag, my title, okay? And put a class in it because this is what we want, right? We need to select this element by its classes. So here I will put a class of title. So now we need to switch to the JavaScript file to do the code that selects this element. And here I have an HTML file that links this scripts file. And here we'll do the code. So some years ago, we used a lot the method getElements by class name. Okay, so this is a common form to select elements by class. You can do this creating a variable like title equal a document. We need to access this method by document. It's a global object that has all the methods of DOM, document object model. That is a resource that we use to change the HTML with JavaScript. So here you can apply getElement by class name. Okay. So here we can put the name of the class in string as its parameter. And now if we log this, we will see that we have the element title, the h1 here. So let's go to the browser. I will open this in my browser. And if we look the console tab, we will see that we have an HTML collection that the first element is our title, okay? So if you pay attention here, you can see that we have an element, not element. So this method works for selecting two or more elements. You can create another title, my title2, and if we switch back to the browser, we will see that we have an HTML collection of two elements, okay? But this is a problem because if we need to select just one element, how can we do this? So nowadays we are using the method querySelector. Okay, this method works like jQuery, so you can select every element by its CSS selector. So let's create another variable, my title, now using the method querySelector, and I will select the same element with .type because we are using a CSS rule. Okay, and if we log this, we will see that we have a different result. We have just the first type. So this is the common way nowadays to access an element by class with querySelector. And if we want all the elements with the same class, we can do this with the other method that is similar to this, that is querySelector all. We can apply the same argument, .title, and now if we log this variable, we will see that we have the two titles selected with a different object called nodeList, but they work similar because they are like arrays. Okay, guys? So this is how you can select an element by its class. Okay, we have these three ways. Nowadays, like I said before, we use more the querySelector and querySelector all. But if you get an old project, you may see the getElements by class name. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. This is very important to me, and see you in the next class.